Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify about your home and decor business. First Shopify, let's type Shopify on the search, sorry, Shopify. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, let's enter the website. Now enter here your address, email, and let's continue. Now let's just skip all. Let's skip all this and let's continue. Now you can log in with whatever you want here. So I'm gonna log in with Google. Wait a few seconds to build in your store. So the first thing here, this is your dashboard. So let's move on to the online store. Click themes. Here you can change your themes if you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you want here. Wait to installing the theme. Now your theme is ready. So click here, publish, and click here. Now customize, click customize. This is your home page. This is where you're gonna design in your home page. So first thing here, you can change this. You can make it like a mobile, or you can make it like full screen. So that's it. Now here you find it begins with the header and it ends with the footer. So here the first you find the template, you find the slideshows, the featured collections, and if you want to add something new, just click here, add section, click here, add section. You can select whatever you want, like image banner, like this. So the first list it is the header. Here you can edit the desktop logo position. For example, you can make it like middle left, like this. You can change this. You can change the menu, the main menu. You can change this, the desktop menu type, like make it like a mega menu. You can change the sticky header. You can turn this on, show separate line. You can change the color scheme. You can change the menu color scheme. You can enable country and region collector. You can enable also language selector. You can manage this, the bottom margin. You can manage your section pattern, and the last is the if you wanna add the logo, for example, home and decor logo. For example this, and put it here. Now wait a few seconds. So this is your logo on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to another thing. Here you find the slideshows. You can change the layout. You can change the slide height like this. You can make it small, or if you want to make it large, like this. Also here you can add you can change you can manage your theme settings. You can turn this on, auto rotate slides. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next step. Here if you wanna select images, for example home, and for example decor home, for example idea, like this, and put it here. Choose whatever you want, and now you can put it just here. So for example, like this, you can also change this. For example, contact or something like this, or shop now. You can generate another text, just click here like this, or if you want to describe what this text is about, like you can make it like this. Now after you're editing this, now let's move on to another thing, the heading size. You can change the heading size, like if you want to make it medium or small or large. I'm gonna make it just medium. You can generate the subheading. You can add a new label. For example, here you can change this. You can also change this. You can make it like for example, I'm gonna make collections, all collections. You can manage your mobile content alignments. So that's it. Now let's move on to another section. Here you find the featured collections. So here you can change the heading. You can also change the heading size if you want to make it like medium. You can change the description. You can generate another text. You can manage this description style. So that's it. You can manage the product card. You can manage the section padding. So that's it. If you want to remove any section, just select it and click here and it will be removed. You can also move on the section like this. You can put it at any place you want. So now after you designing your website, now click here, save. Now click here, exit. So this is your dashboard. You can just go to home. Now you can edit more your website. If you wanna like name your store, click here. You can name your store. You can add your phone, your store phone. You can change the store email. Here you can add the time zone. You can change the time zone and unit of measurements. So that's it for today. If you want to add your first product, click here. You can add products here. You can import products. So after you design your website and sharing custom details, you can add sharing details. So after all that, all you have to do now is launch your website. Now all you have to do is publish your website, and that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.